Good morning. We are on the residence of claim HM000000390-570. The date is 7/25. It is 82 degrees. I'm on an 812 pitch. I've been contracted to perform repairs to this insured's house based on the carrier specifications. We're going to be removing this shingle here and replacing it. We will also need to manipulate the 2 rows above it. Tools we'll be using is the standard roof snake required by most roofing professionals to remove and install nails. We will document any findings and damages that occur throughout the process and at the end. I'm using my hatchet just to elevate the above shingles so I can visibly see the nails. Making sure not to lift it too high. I'm already seeing some granulosa start to come off of the top shingles. This one already pulled through. I'm getting up the previous nail. Moving on to the second layer now. Another nail already pulled through. It's a little overdriven. Then another nail pulled through here. One or two more. Little tear in this shingle here. The overdriven nail. Got one holding on. One nail. Right here. Right here. And one in the corner. Seems to be a little excessively nailed. There we go. Still one. Underdriven nail right there. Alright. Replacing it. 4 nails minimum to re-secure. Granule loss making me slip. Second row now. With the repairs complete, I'm seeing some breakage and some hinging, noting here. I'm going to take my hand and lightly brush a non-damaged shingle, one that we did not manipulate. No granules come off. If I lightly brush the same shingles we manipulated, we have some light granules falling off. That's what I slipped on earlier. We have some hinging. So what this is telling me is, in the process of repairing this one shingle, we have effectively damaged 3 others above it. This attempt of a repair would be deemed a fail, and we would highly encourage you to reconsider the repairability aspect of this insurance claim. Thank you for watching. This will be followed up by close-up pictures.